Assalamu alaikum. Our project topic is yarn texturizing model. So first of all, what is texturizing and why we do texturizing? Basically, it is the process of imparting loops, crimps and coils to filament to achieve softness, high volume, stretchability and moisture uptake properties in yarn. We are using Gear Crimp method in our project. So it is a method of texturizing in which we produce crimp into the thermoplastic yarn by passing it from heated gears.
The process is that when we pass the yarn, the synthetic yarn which is nylon, which is straight, when we pass between two gears to rotate the gears by rod, when we move the rod, the yarn passes through them. The one gear is movable and second is still fixed. When yarn passes between two gears, the straight yarn converts into the crimped yarn. As you can see, the crimps apart on that yarn. We use the equipment to make the project is wooden sheet as a frame, pair of gears, chain set and rod, hair dryer, bearing, two sheets, binding and unbinding package.